Maintenance on the electrical components of your V20 should be performed by a licensed electrician. Failure to follow these wiring instructions may result in serious injury or death from shock, fire, or explosion. To replace the power switch on your V20, turn the pump off and disconnect the pump from power. Using a 4mm hex wrench, remove the nozzle hanger from the pump. Then, using a 5mm hex wrench, remove the electrical cover plate from the pump housing. Next, using a Phillips screwdriver, extract the switch assembly from the pump. Then unplug the switch, taking note of which wire is attached to each terminal for reinstallation. If replacement parts are needed, they can be ordered through our website by scanning the QR code on the side of your pump with your smartphone. To install a new switch, attach the pump wires to the switch as shown. Reinstall the switch assembly into the pump cavity. Apply lithium grease to the mating surface of the electrical cover plate. Then reinstall the electrical cover plate and nozzle hanger, taking care to align the switch actuator on the cover plate with the electrical switch. Ensure all bolts are tightened securely. If you have any questions, you can call our support line and speak to a USA-based product support representative in our factory that will assist you with installation, maintenance, repair, and warranty questions. This responsive live service is our legacy and our commitment to you. Thank you for choosing GPRO.